Hello there and welcome to another tutorial from AKCP. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Siren and Strobe light sensor within the AKCP Security Probe web interface. So let's go right ahead and jump right in. Here we are on the sensors page, and you can see that second from the left we have our Siren and Strobe light sensor plugged into port 2 of the intelligent sensor ports. So let's go right ahead and click the Siren. And this of course brings us to our basic settings for our Siren and Strobe light. Now the first thing that we can do is change the name. So we'll just change this to Siren and Strobe light in front office. Below that we have our status, and it shows just below that it's currently online. If it was offline, obviously it would display an offline message. Below that we can have the description of the status when the strobe light is on, and the description of the status when the strobe light is off. So for example, you could change this to warning, and this one to normal state. Below that we have our advanced mode. Now the first thing that we've got here is the Siren and Strobe light control mode, and this is what is going to take primary control of the Siren and Strobe. So you can set it to manual control, you can set it to notification control, so it's actually controlled by the notification, so it would sound once you set up a notification with the Siren and Strobe light, and you can also set it to a time control, which would be controlled obviously by the time. We're going to leave it as it is at the manual control. Below that we have the Siren and Strobe light control, which is off, on. You can cycle the time, which ties into the time control obviously, of on, off, on, or you can reverse it and have off, on, off. And then right at the bottom you have the test siren cycle, and if you press this button it will actually test the siren and you'll see it flashing and you'll get a wailing noise coming out of the unit. And that is basically all there is to it. Just once you've made any changes, go ahead and click save. Wait for the page to refresh. There we go, and it's now saved all of our settings. And that's all there is to it for the Siren and Strobe. It's a very easy sensor to set up.